Hello children, I Mrs. Pathan Afrin Khan welcome you for online studies. So children, in the last lesson we have learned about addition by carrying over. But children, now in this lesson we are going to learn about subtraction by borrowing. Children, do you remember that in first part of our maths we have learned about subtraction without borrowing. But now in the second part of our maths we are going to learn subtraction by borrowing. So children, please take out your textbook, open page number 55 and let's start the lesson. Let's start the lesson, children. Subtraction by borrowing preparation. Now see children, 10 rupees means 10 coins of 1 rupee each. Now see, you will see 10 rupees note. This is 10 rupee note. 10 coin of 1 rupee each. Now see, 10 rupees means 10 coins. I am having 10 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 rupees means 10 coins of 1 rupee each. Now see, 100 rupees means, now we will see the note of 100 rupees. Now see, 100 rupees means 10 notes of 10 rupees each. Now see, we will see the 10 notes of 10 rupee each. Now I will count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10 notes of 100 rupees and this is 100 rupees note. It also means 100 coins of 1 rupees. It also means 100 coins of 1 rupees. Now we will see if there are 10 sugar cane in a bundle. Now see, I am not having sugar cane bundle children, but I have prepared matchsticks bundle for you. Now see, I am having 10 matchsticks bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See, I am having 10 matchsticks bundle. Then 10 such bundle means, now see, this is 10 such bundle. 10 such bundle means 100 sugar canes. 100 sugar canes. See, one bundle has 10 sticks. So how many it becomes? 100 matchsticks bundle. 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30 plus 10 40 plus 10 50 plus 10 60 plus 10 70 plus 10 80 plus 10 90 and plus 10 100. So it means 100 matchstick. Now what we will see, we will go for the next. Now see, Sonu, I have 2 notes of 100 rupees. Now Sonu is having 2 notes of 100 rupees. Now see, these are 2 notes of 100 rupees. I have to give Nandu 70 rupees. Now what I have to give? I have to give Nandu 70 rupees. Now what Salma is asking Sonu? How will you do that? Now Salma is asking, how will you do that? Now see, Sonu, I will exchange 100 rupees note. Now what Sonu is telling, that I will exchange 100 rupees note for 10 rupees note. Now what he will take? He will take a change of 100 rupees. How he will take? See, 100 rupees I have given here and I am taking this 10 rupees change of 100 rupees. Now children, Nandu, you could give me 10 rupees note for this. Now what Nandu is telling, that give me 10 rupees note. Now I am giving Nandu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, now I have to give 70 rupees. So I am giving this 10 rupees note to Nandu. I have given already. Now what Salma is telling children? Then Sonu will be left with 100 rupees note and 10 rupees note. What Salma is telling, that Sonu will be left with, now what Sonu is having, 100 rupees note and 10 rupees note. Now Sonu, write, I will have 130 rupees left. Now children, what Sonu is left? Sonu has left 100 rupees note and 10 rupees note. Right, I will have 130 rupees. So total how many rupees left? 130 rupees left.
Now we will go for the next. Now see children, there is a small exercise given. That exercise we are going to solve on page number 55. Let's start.
Now children see, 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now children, we have already learned that 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now see, 200 is equal to 110 tens. 300 is equal to 210 tens. Now 500 is equal to 400 dash tens. So what we will write here children? We will write here 10 tens. Do you understand children what I am explaining you? See, 400 is equal to 310 tens. 700 is equal to 610 tens. Now you will tell me this sum children. 600 is equal to dash 100 plus 10 tens. What will be the answer here children? Please tell me. Very good. Here 5 will come. That 600 is equal to 500 plus 10 tens.
Now next page, page number 56. Now see children, when we subtract, sometimes we have to untie 100 or 110. We need to untie only 110 or 100, even when there are many hundreds or tens. Now see children, there are two pictures they have given and they have shown us that how we are going to untie. Now see, in the first picture, 300. Let us untie 100 and make 10 tens. Now see, 300 picture they have shown us and 100 they have shown arrow to the 10 boxes. Now see, 300 means 210 tens. Now in a second picture children, 200, let us convert 100 into tens and 1 tens into unit. Now see, 200 picture they have shown in the box and in 100 they have shown a arrow and they have made 10 tens. And in 110 they have shown again arrow and they have shown us 110 into units. Now see children, 200 means 100 and 10 tens. It also means 100, 9 tens and 10 units.
Okay student, now we will see subtraction by untying a 10. Now see this example, 62 minus 27. Now first we will see unit to unit. We have to subtract 7 from 2. We know that we cannot subtract 7 from 2. So now what we will do student? We will take 6. We will borrow 1 from this 6. So we are borrowing 1 from this 6. Now what to do student? When we borrow 1 from 6, here it will come 5. Now what to do? This 2 we are going to write down here. So 12 minus 7. So what will be the answer? 5 will be your answer. Now 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So your answer is 35. the next example. 73 minus 45. Now here also we cannot minus 5 from this 3. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from this 7. So now we will cut this 7. We will write 6 because we are borrowing 1 from this 7. And here we will write 3. Now 13 minus 5. What will be the answer? 8. 8 will be your answer. And 6 minus 4, 2. So your answer is 28. So 73 minus 45 is equal to 28. Now we will see, student, subtraction by untying a 100. Now see, first we have subtraction by untying a 10. But now we are going to see subtraction by untying a 100. Now here 3 digits number are there. So first we will take unit to unit. First we are going to minus 8 minus 1. So it will not subtract from 8 from 1. Now what to do? Again we are going to borrow 1 from this 7. So when we are borrowing 1 from this 7, we will get here 6. Now see, this one we will write again in the unit place. Now 11 minus 8. What will be your answer? 3 will be your answer. Now here 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, 3. And 2 minus 1, 1. So 271 minus 138 is equal to 133 is your answer. Now we will see the next example. 650 minus 645. Now see, in a unit place there is a 0. We cannot minus 5 from this 0. Then what we will do? Again we will borrow 1 from this 5. So when we are borrowing 1 from this 5, we will write here 4. And again this 0 we will write in a unit place. Now 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And here also in a 100 place, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So your answer is only 5. See the next example, children. Now see, here there are 3 digit number 900 minus 365. Now we cannot subtract 5 from the 0 in unit place. Now see the tens place number. We cannot subtract 6 from this 0 which is in the tens place. Now see the 100 place number. 3 minus 9. Now see what we have to do. We have to borrow 1 from this 9 in a tens place. We will take 1. So when we borrow 9 from 1, here it will come 8 in the 100 place. Now what we will do? We will take this 0 in a tens place. But we have to first subtract unit to unit. So what again we will do, children? Again we will take 1 from this 10. So again we will cut here 10, we will write here 9, and then we will take 1 in a unit place. And this 0 again we will write in a unit place. So first we will subtract 10 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 3, and 8 minus 3, 5. So like this we have to subtract this number, and your answer is 535. Now see the next example. 205 minus 6. Now see, here again the same problem. We cannot subtract 6 from 5. So we will go to the tens place. But in the tens place again it is a 0. Then what we will do? We we will go in a 100 place. So from 100 we will borrow 1 in a tens place. So when we borrow 1 from 2, again we will write 1 in a 100 place. Now see, this 0 again we will write here. But we cannot subtract 6 from 5 in a unit place. Again we are going to borrow 1 from this tens place. So we have taken 1 from this 10. So again we will write here 9. So this 5 we will write upward. Now 15 minus 6. It will come 9. And here 9 and nothing. There is no number here. So this 9 we will write down in the tens place. And here we will write down 1 because there is no other number to subtract. So the answer is 190. Now children, we will arrange vertically and subtract. Now see the number 245 minus 6. So first we will take this number 5 in the unit place, 4 in a tens place and 2 in a 100 place. But in this number there is no other number, only one number is there. So 6 in a unit place we will take. So first we will write this number. So how to write the number? Unit place number in a unit place. So 5 in a unit place, 4 in a tens place and 2 in a 100 place. And here only unit place number is there. So we will write 6 in a unit place. There are no other number in a tens place and in a 100 place. Now how to subtract? We have already seen so many examples of subtraction. So here also we are going to use the same method. Now see, 6 minus 5. Sorry, we cannot minus 6 from 5. So what we will do here children? Again we will borrow 1 from this 4. So now we are borrowing 1 from this tens place number. So again we will write 3 in a tens place and here we will write 5 in a unit place. Now 15 minus 5. Now we have to subtract 6 from this 15. So your answer will be 9. Here there is no other number in a tens place to subtract. So we will write 3 as it is. And here again there is no number. So again we will write 2 as it is in a 100 place. So your answer is 239. Now see the next example. The next number is 6, 5 and 1. Now from this 3 number we are going to find out again biggest 3-digit number. Now see which is the bigger number in this 3 number children? Very good. 6 is a bigger than 5 and then 1. Very good children. And now the smallest 3-digit number 1. Okay. Okay, then 5 and then 6. So the smallest 3-digit number is 156. Now again subtract 1 from the other. Now see, again 1 in a unit place, 5 in a tens place and 6 in a 100 place. Same here also, unit, 10 and 100. Now unit number we will write in a unit place, tens in a tens and 100 in a 100 place. So 1 in a unit place, 5 in a tens place and 6 in a 100 place. And here 6 in a unit place, 5 in a tens place and 1 in a 100 place. Now what to do? Again the same way we are going to subtract this sum. Now we cannot subtract 6 from 1. Then what to do? Again we will borrow 1 from this tens place. We are borrowing 1 from this tens place. Now when we borrow 1 from this 5, in the tens place we will write 4. This one we will carry in a unit place. So now 11 minus 6. So your answer is 5. And now we cannot subtract 5 from this 4. Then again what to do? Now again we will come in 100 place. We will borrow 1 from this 100 place. Already we are borrowing 1 from this 6. So in 100 place we will write 5 and then 14 minus 5. Your answer is 9. And 5 minus 1, your answer will be 4. So your answer is 495. Already I have written here 495. So I think you understood how to find out biggest and smallest three-digit number and how to subtract one from the other. Now children, we will see on page number 59 word problems. Now see, I am explaining you two word problems. Now we will see the first word problem. There are 175 trees in Maharaja Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. How many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than there are in Maharaja Park? Now see, I have already written the sum. Now see, 268 trees in Sayaji Park and 175 trees in Maharaja Park. Now we are going to subtract this number. Now see, we can easily subtract 5 minus 5 from 8. So what will be your answer? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. But in the tens place we cannot subtract 7 from 6. Now what here we will do? Again we will borrow 1 from this 2. So again we are borrowing 1 from this 2. So when we borrow 1 from this 2, again I will write here 1 in 100 place. And this 6 I will take in the tens place. So 16 minus 7. What will be the answer, children? Your answer will be 9. Now 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So your answer is 93. Now what they have asked? Sayaji Park has dash more trees. Now how many trees are more? There are 93 trees are more in Sayaji Park. Now see the next example, children. Now see, look in your textbook. The last exercise, using the given information, make word problems of your own and solve them. Now I am explaining you the second word problem from this exercise. Now see the next sum, children. Ram has 188 mango trees and Rahul has 275 guava trees. How many more trees does Rahul have than Ram? Now see, we will solve the sum. First we will take that 275 guava trees and 188 mango trees. Now we are going to find out more trees. Now the same subtraction method we are going to use here. Now we will see in a unit place. In unit place we cannot subtract 8 from 5. Then what we will do? We will borrow 1 from the tens place. So again we will take 1 here. We will write 6 here. This 5 we will write in a unit place and then we will subtract 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8, your answer is 7. Now here we cannot subtract 8 from this 6. Then again we will come to the 100 place and we will borrow 1 from this 2. So here I am borrowing 1 from this 2 from 100 place. So again in 100 place there will be 1 and here in the tens place 16 minus 8 will be 8 and here 1 minus 1 will be 0. So what will be your answer, children? 87 will be your answer. Now what they have asked us, Rahul has dash more trees. So Rahul has 87 more trees. So I think children that I have explained you so many sums of subtraction, and I think your concept of subtraction by borrowing is clear.
So children, now today's homework. So children, you have to complete page number 56, 57, 58 and 59 exercise in your classwork notebook. Okay student, goodbye. Have a nice day.